Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel, I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on keto and how you can be successful in your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you on your keto weight loss journey. In this video, I'll show you everything I ate this week to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. Yes, I did say maintain. If you are looking for the videos on the foods that I ate when I was losing weight on keto, I will link the playlist for you right here up in the cards. But if you're just curious on what I am doing to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating and what I'm choosing to eat in order to keep my calories at a level where I stop losing weight, then this video is definitely for you. So stick around, let's check out the food.
Alrighty guys, it's Sunday afternoon and I am trying to decide what to do with this product that was sent to me. So Outer Isle sent me all of these sandwich thins and pizza crusts to try out. The macros on these are actually pretty decent for fat loss macros. They aren't so great for high fat keto. So it's making it complicated for me to try and figure out what I'm going to make with them. So I don't know exactly what to make with them yet, but I want you guys to see the nutrition information on these. So you can see the ingredients are pretty good. Cauliflower, eggs, cheese, nutritional yeast, garlic, basil, oregano. That's like it. So that's pretty decent. And 6 grams of fat and 10 grams of protein per serving, which is pretty decent, and only 3, so 4 minus 1 is 3 net carbs. So the product macros are pretty good. They have an interesting smell. I haven't even opened these, and the smell is pretty strong of the cauliflower. We'll see how they taste, but I'm trying to decide exactly what I'm going to do, and I'll show you guys in a minute, but I wanted you to see they had sent me these for free to try, and hopefully they're good. I baked these on a pizza stone for a little while, put some cheese on it. This is quesadilla cheese, and it's about an ounce, and I'm going to be adding some bacon and tomato, making it kind of a sort of a BLT with cheese. Here's what it looks like, all done. It looks pretty good. We'll see what it tastes like, but I'm also going to make myself some chaffles to go along with it. Alright everyone, it's Sunday afternoon. It is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm breaking my fast with my first meal of the day. As I said before, I was trying these egg thins. I haven't tried them yet, but they look good. And then I made me a 1 egg chaffle. So I did 1 egg, 20 grams of sour cream, half of a serving of the paleo dark chocolate from julianbakery.com, and some sweetener, and about 44 grams of mozzarella cheese to make these chaffles. And then on top I have 10 grams on each chaffle of the sugar-free Great Value whipped topping. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Sunday night and I have created kind of a curry dish for myself. As you can see, I've got some cauliflower rice down in the bottom of this. I've kind of mixed it in now like a soup a little bit. It was supposed to be like a rice and tandoori or curry type of thing on top. So basically what I made this with, I'll start with the very first ingredients. So I used 40 grams of onion and 14 grams of garlic. That's the minced kind that's in the jar. And I sauteed that up in a pan with a tablespoon of coconut oil. Then I added in the chicken and cooked that till it was nice and brown on both sides, and added a little bit of bouillon powder to that to give the chicken some flavor. And then to make the sauce, I put it all in a bowl and then added it all in together. I put in 90 grams of coconut cream and 50 grams of Fage Greek yogurt, 20 grams of tomato paste, and then I put in 4 grams each of curry powder, tandoori spice and masala, Indian masala spice. And then did I add anything else? I can't remember. I don't think I added anything else. Oh, some almond milk. And then I put it all in the pan and just cooked it all up together, then put it over the top of some cauliflower rice. It tastes amazing. So yeah, basically what I did was I put in my tracker everything that I wanted to meet my macros and threw it all in a pan, tasted it to see if it tasted good, and if it didn't taste good, I was going to do something to it. Oh, I added a little bit of Rotel at the very last bit. I added 30 grams of Rotel tomatoes. That's what these are at the very last bit. Just for a little bit more flavor, and they were the Mexican ones, don't tell anyone, but it's yummy. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Monday afternoon and I am having Quest Chip Nachos for my first meal of the day. This is 1 package of chili lime Quest chips, 4 ounces of shredded chicken you can't really see in there, 3 tablespoons of salsa, 1 package of holy guacamole, 20 grams of olives, and 4 tablespoons or 60 grams of sour cream. And oh, there's 3 ounces of cheese on there too. I think it's cheddar Monterey Jack. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, here I am hanging out at the dance studio in the car. It is 5 o'clock at night and I'm having my second meal of the day. I am having a pumpkin keto cake from keepingitKetoCakes.com, a Quest strawberry cheesecake bar, and an ounce of macadamia nuts, and that is going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Monday night and I am having spaghetti squash with ground beef. So I have 3 ounces of ground beef, 1/2 cup of lucini marinara, 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese, and 100 grams of spaghetti squash, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hey everyone, today I am having French toast, chaffles, and bacon. For my first meal of the day. It is Tuesday. It is, I think, almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm breaking my fast with this, my first meal of the day. So to make these truffles, I used 1 egg, 20 grams of sour cream, and I used 80 grams of quesadilla cheese. That's a new cheese I haven't tried before. And I've got 44 grams of center cut bacon, and that is gonna, oh wait, on top I have a tablespoon of butter and some sugar-free syrup, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright, I'm heading to the dance studio. This is going to be my second meal of the day. I'm going to be eating this at about 4:30 or maybe 5 o'clock in the evening. I'm having a carrot spice niche cake, a white chocolate raspberry Quest bar, and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. That's going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Tuesday night, it's 11 o'clock at night, and I'm having my last meal of the day. I have 100 grams of spaghetti squash, 6 ounces of ground 85-15 ground beef, 1/2 cup of lucini marinara, 2 ounces of quesadilla cheese, and a keto cake from keepingitKetoCakes.com. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty guys, I am attempting to make enchiladas today out of my jalapeno sandwich thins that Outer Isle Bakery sent me. So I am just spraying that with some olive oil spray. And I'm just making this up as I go along. So these are the sandwich thins that I'm going to be using. They're the jalapeno ones. Problem number 1 already. I just barely picked that up and it bent like this. So it doesn't look like it's gonna wrap very well for like an enchilada type thing. I don't know if I should try microwaving them or if I should just build some sort of like layered lasagna type thing instead of rolling them. I'm going to try microwaving them first. Microwave this sandwich in for 30 seconds. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like it will roll. Perfect. So that is probably how I'll do this. I'm going to put like 1 ounce of shredded chicken and a tablespoon of sour cream in each of these with some green chilies and some quesadilla cheese in each one, and then I'm going to roll them up, put them in the pan, and I'm going to cover them with some other stuff and then bake them. Ought to be good. Alright, so I ended up with 20 grams of shredded chicken, 15 grams of sour cream, 10 grams of the quesadilla cheese, and 3 grams? Yeah, 3 grams of green chilies, and I'm just going to roll that up and put it in the pan. Okay, and for over the top, I mixed together 2 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, another 60 grams of sour cream, 60 grams of green enchilada sauce, and then an ounce of this cheese. And then I'm going to put that over the top. cover this and bake it for 30 minutes, I think, is my plan. Like I said, I'm making this up. All right, just pulled it out the oven. Looks pretty good. To try it. Alrighty, here they are. I'm gonna have 3 of them today and 3 of them another day. They look pretty tasty. Hope they taste as good as they look. Alright, here I am at the dance studio. I'm gonna eat all this yummy stuff. Alrighty, everyone, it's Wednesday night. I am having a couple of lettuce wrap burgers. These are just 2 85.15 Walmart Great Value patties with 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, a little bit of mustard, some butter lettuce, and tomato. That's gonna be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, here I am at Commonwealth School, and I am having leftovers from yesterday. I'm having the other half of my enchiladas that I made with the outer aisle cauliflower thins, and then I'm going to have a Slim Fast Keto Fat Bomb as a dessert. That is going to be my first meal of the day. I am having my second meal of the day. I have an ounce of macadamia nuts, a Crust cookie, a Primal Thin Bar, and Quest chips. And a Keto Fat Bomb. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it is Friday night, and I am having 9 chicken wings with sauce on the side. It's just Frank's Red Hots, and I'm going to also have a salad with ranch dressing. That's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, I'm out on a photo shoot, and it is Friday morning. It is about 11:30, and I am ravenously starving, and this is all I could find at the gas station. I probably should have gotten some cheese in addition. This is pretty low fat for what I'm trying to do, but this is my go-to, good old Quest, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this for now and then eat something in a couple hours when I get home. Alrighty, everyone, it is Friday afternoon. It is 3 in the afternoon, and I am having my second meal of the day. Yes, this is overkilling my macros, but I feel starving, so this is what I'm choosing to have. 2 eggs, 130 grams of quesadilla cheese, 2 ounces of cream cheese, 40 grams of sour cream. I actually didn't count the blueberries. They were 3 grams per, so that's 21 grams of blueberries and 4 Falls brand sausages. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Friday night. I am having some chicken and mushroom cream soup. I basically made some chicken broth, cooked the chicken separately. I've got 6 ounces of chicken breast in here, by about 40 grams of mushroom that I cooked in a pan, and about 50 grams, if I can find any, of zucchini and yellow squash that I also cooked in a pan, and then just put it all in here with some bouillon, seasoning, and some heavy cream. And it's going to be kind of like a cream of mushroom, cream of chicken / soup. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Saturday. It is just a little bit after noon, and I am having my first meal of the day. So I am having, again, blueberry lemon cheesecake type chaffles. Is basically my blueberry chaffles with cream cheese and lemonade meal and erythritol sweetener mixed together on top. It's divine. Best tasting thing I've ever eaten in my life. And 4 Falls brand sausages and a cup of orange spice herbal tea. It tastes like wassail, with a tablespoon of heavy cream and stevia. That is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, guys, here I am at Texas Roadhouse, and I am having first some peanuts in the shell. Number 2, a nice lovely salad with ranch dressing. Looks amazing. Pièce de resistance that I have been craving lately is a beautiful prime rib. Isn't that pretty? It's pretty. Day's even bigger than mine. You got the 16.
Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that I gave you some ideas on keto meals that you can try or tweak for your own keto weight loss journey. If you're looking for help on how to get started on keto, don't forget to check out the About section below, where I have links to my Facebook group where I can help answer all your keto questions, and I have a getting started guide that's completely free of charge that can help you get started on your weight loss journey. If you're not on Facebook and you'd like a copy of the guide, please feel free to email me at ketochaos@gmail.com, and I will send you my getting started guide absolutely free of charge. No strings attached. I do also offer personal coaching. Right now, my coaching slots are full, but if you want to get on the waiting list for the next available coaching slot, go ahead and send me an email to that ketochaos@gmail.com as well, and I will send you information on keto coaching. It's $120 for 4 weeks of coaching, and I basically come where you are. I can help you get started if you're brand new, or I can help you tweak what you're already doing if you've been doing this for a while. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to send me an email and I'll let you know as soon as I have an available opening. Alrighty guys, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and I will talk to you all again soon.